Hi guys, this is Kelly once again from Bond Machines, and today I will be reviewing the Veritas Zick-zack German sewing machine. Okay, it's a pretty strong machine and it has a lot of features, and I'll also do some couple of stitches with the machine. Okay, I want to thank all my subscribers for subscribing to my channel, and also if you know you haven't, please do so and click on the notification button so you can get recent reviews on sewing machines and also how to use your sewing machine. Alright, I'll quickly talk about this machine and work with it in a moment. Firstly, it has a double thread stand which you can actually use for twin needle operation. See that? Alright, then it has an electric motor at the back. Okay, see that? And right here you have the bobbin winder. You have the tension here. Right here you have the control for the needle positioning, the middle. Okay, this feature middle, left, and right. Okay, that's for needle position in case you want to sew the buttonhole. Now this one here is the lever that controls the straight stitch and the zigzag. All right. See that? From here you have a 0, as if you're sewing the regular straight stitch, and go out if you want to leave here, this place to 4, you're sewing the zigzag. Alright, right here you have the control for the stitch length regulator. It has a number 4 here and to 0. Then it has the arrow, which is the reverse. If you want to reverse, that's the arrow there. Now this one is what controls the feed dogs. Okay, bring it up and bring it down. Alright, now it uses industrial bobbin and shuttle mechanism. See that? And see that? And you also thread from front to back. Alright, it has a light. Okay, let me just quickly connect the light. Okay, I already connected the light. That's light bulb, and you can see that. Alright, so I'll quickly show you how to wind the bobbin and also stitch with the machine. Okay, it does the regular straight stitch and also the zigzag stitch. Alright, okay, winding the bobbin from the thread stand, you just take that pass through this point here. Alright, there's a small spring mechanism there. Then you wound it on your bobbin and you place that on the bobbin winder and you just push it to the side. So when you hit on the see that? So when you're done with the one you want to use, you just pull that back and take out your bobbin. So like I told you, the machine uses the industrial shuttle and bobbin mechanism. So that's a shuttle type, and you just place that in like your regular bobbin, and that's all. You put that back in the shuttle chamber. Alright, I'll just show you how to thread the machine in a moment. Okay, in threading the machine, you use any of the thread stand and you just bring that from the thread stand all the way to this point. Okay, then you make sure you raise the footer up, then you pass it through any of the tension plates. It has a double tension plate in case you're using the twin needle. Then it goes in all the way like that. Then from here it goes through this point, which is the thread carrier. Then it goes side, then all the way down to this point. Then you thread from front to back. Okay, in threading the needle you thread from front to back. Alright, so I'm gonna do that. Okay, I already threaded the needle and pick down the down thread. Alright, see that? So I'm gonna sew through now. Okay, for the regular straight stitch, okay, I think I just need to take out this light. Let me off it. See that? Alright, for the regular straight stitch, this has to be on 0. Okay, this lever has to be on 0, and I'm using the highest stitch length, which is 4. So when I sew through now, to the back, of the fabric, and that's the front. Okay, perfect stitch. Now you can actually reduce the stitch length of the machine. So let's say I reduce it to a number 2. I just want to have some more tiny stitch. Alright, so there you have it, a much more tiny stitch. Now if you want to do the zigzag, I told you the machine does a zigzag operation. What you do is just turn this lever. I'm using the highest one, which is 4, and I will still maintain this number 2 stitch length. Alright, so I just sew. Alright, there you have it. That's the back of the zigzag, and that's the front. Okay, you can also further reduce the zigzag, okay, to get a much more closer one. So I just try number 1 here and see. See that? That's a much reduced stitch length. Okay, the machine actually comes with a manual, but it's all written in German, so but you can actually use the diagram to check out how to use your machine. Okay, that's the manual. Now if you want to use the machine for the buttonhole, it's quite easy. I'll just do a demonstration right now. Okay, for the buttonhole, you make sure you've actually outlined the buttonhole picture you want to use, but for this tutorial I'll just use a regular a guessed buttonhole. Okay, but the first thing you need to do, you need to change your needle position. So I'm going to use the left. I'll just put it all the way to left. Alright, then I use the buttonhole has 4 sides: the top, the bottom, the left, and the right. So I'm using this, just put it on L1 here, and I'm leaving it on 4. My stitch length is about 0.5. So when I just sewed it, I'm sewing the top one. Okay, now I take this down all the way from here to about number 2. Okay, so when I sew through now, alright, so I've gotten the one I need. Then I take it back to 4 and I just sew a couple of lengths. And when I'm done, I just turn the fabric. Alright, make sure I get that, then take it back to number 2. Okay, so alright, voila. Alright, there you have it, guys. That's the buttonhole. So you can actually use your machine to do the buttonhole. Now if you want to return back to the regular straight stitch, all you just do is just take this back to M and take this back to 0, and you're actually sewing your straight stitch. Alright, so thank you so much, guys. This is the Veritas Zick-zack German sewing machine. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and God bless you.